Good evening, everyone. I would like to welcome you to my channel. Dollars Make Sense. On this channel, you guys will find videos that talk about money making opportunities. Some are free, some are paid. Most of them are going to be free. So if you guys are looking for ways to make money, in your spare time, you landed on the right channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about my two top free affiliate marketing programs. And let's get into the video. First, before we do that, I want you guys to like this video, share it, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified when I upload a video. Okay, so the first affiliate program we're going to talk about is ClickBank, and it's free to join. You just create an account, enter all your information, and you're all set. So what I'm going to do is, first thing you want to do is notice over here, these basically shows you what you've been earning, your earnings basically. And as you guys can see, I don't promote this as much as I should. So right now, I don't have anything to show you. But if you come over here, click on the marketplace, you're going to find products to promote, okay? So over here on the left-hand side, you're going to see all these products, okay? You guys can choose whatever products you want. But the three top niches that, or products that people are promoting are health and fitness, very popular right here, wealth, and education, basically, from what I hear. So let's click on this, for instance. So what you do, you sign up, create your account. After you do that, you come over here, pick your product that you want to promote, okay? So what you want to do is pick the product by gravity. This basically means how many people, gravity basically means, how many people are promoting it and what's getting the highest commissions. So right now you see for the top health and fitness product, we have Cinderella Solution. And this, you can make a sale of $37.53 when someone purchases this product. Okay? And for this, we have an average rebill, which means that average rebill means every month they have to pay $8.89 to stay a member. Okay? And you will get paid this $8.89. So whenever they renew their membership, you will get paid $8.89. So you guys want to basically pick products that have an average rebill, basically a monthly residual income. Okay, so let's look at the second one. Diabetes Remedy, the conversion monster. So this basically means that this is converting like crazy. You get if you get someone to purchase this product, you will get $31.15. And every month when they pay their membership, you will get paid $107.19. Okay? And the gravity here is 259.87. That means this many people have been promoting it, and this is how many people have been doing really well with it. So you guys kind of get it. Just pick a product that has a rebill. You want a monthly residual income, and pick one that is very popular. Like I said, I am a part of this platform. I have chosen to do the Flat Belly Fix. I just want to show you what that looks like. For those of you that are interested in losing belly fat, this is a really good, very popular, very high converting offer. Okay, so let's go back. And as you see, you get $44.50 if someone purchases it. And the rebill is it's a low rebill, and you get $1.02 every time someone renews their membership. And it's got a gravity of 126.72, so not that high, but this is the niche that I'm promoting. I'm probably going to end up changing it because this has gone down, because Flat Belly Fix used to be a very, very, very popular niche. So you guys pretty much get the gist of it. Just sign up, create your account. It's free to create your account. Come over here to the marketplace. choose your product, and then click over here where it says sort results by. You click on gravity, and and remember, you want to choose the one that has an average rebuild total. Okay? So that was our first free affiliate marketing program. The second one I want to talk about is something I recently found out. It's called Traffic Domination Network. And I recently got approved. I got approved very quickly, actually. The same day I created my account, I got approved. You never know, it might not work as fast for you, but it worked that way for me. So here we are on the dashboard. Dashboard's right here. And I'm going to go to the offers. There's offers that I believe you guys will do really well on. Okay? So I'm just going to go and show you guys what I would promote. From what I hear, this is marketing with George Wickens. Okay? And you will get $30 every time somebody purchases this product. So we're going to preview it. And you would answer the questions, and it would just take you, into the product. Marketing with George Wickens. Okay? So So basically, the offer converts on a $7. When someone pays $7 into this, you get $30 every single time. When you promote this and someone pays for it, you get $30. Okay, This is basically CPA marketing, cost per action. When someone does an action, you get paid for it. Okay, so that is one of the offers I would promote. It's a very high converting offer. And let's go back to the offers here. And here's another one, 24-hour pro system. You get $15 every time someone pays $2 into this, okay? You guys really want to do your research on these affiliate marketing programs because some of these are very easy to promote, some of them are not. Some of them take forever to approve you, so just do your research and understand that some may take longer than others to get approved, but once you're approved, you can start promoting ASAP. So that was the second one, and remember it converts. If someone pays $2 into it, you will get $15 for that. And let's see here. I think there's another one. It's this one, Cash Money Sites. Okay, let's see here. You get $43 when this one, and it says it's a biz opportunity, and it says it converts like crazy. Okay, so, and these are the countries that they're accepting: U.S., Australia, Canada, New Zealand, I believe. So I just wanted to come on here and show you guys about my two top free affiliate marketing programs. You guys can join today if you want to. It's clearly up to you. If you have the time, to promote this, you could take the links and promote them on Facebook. Okay. And there's other ways you can keep track of your clicks as well. And I will bring another video to you later on and show you about that. But in the meantime, thank you guys for watching this video. I want you to like it, share it, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. Excuse me. So you can be notified whenever I upload a video. Take care, you guys.